Alex.
You get me that, Mommy and Daddy?
We did. Mommy and Daddy got that.
Oh, it's the Death Star Wars playset.
Leah.
Leah, you got a tea set. That's awesome.
Tea set.
I saw someone who had this on YouTube.
Oh,
His
really?
name is Evan too.
What is that, Alex? Angry Birds?
You're gonna have some tea and some pancakes.
Yeah. Oh, and you
And
got the
coffee.
Darth Vader.
I know. I figured you'd like that, Alex.
Oh.
And fork and spoon. That's for Leah.
Leah, look over here. Smile.
I think this is mine.
Leah, Leah.
I probably.
Thank you, baby.
Okay, this is Leah's. This is Leah's. I think.
You're right. Yeah. Please start.
Yeah.
Peppa Pig.
Wow, you love Peppa Pig.
Buddy Puddle.
Peppa Pig book.
Yay.
Yay.
Peppa Pig.
She's starting to know how to like rip stuff up. Can you grab me? That's hers too.
What, this?
Alex, do you like everything you got? How about the one from Santa?
What?
How about the one from Santa?
Oh, the one from Santa?
Oh, she
You mean
likes
the
it.
tablet?
Yeah, right there behind you. Don't
Is this
step on it.
mine? Oh, wait, this is
No, that's Leah's. She likes this book. Leah, one more. Leah, one more.
Leah, you got another big one.
Another big one, honey.
There's another one. I don't know who it's from, but it's probably from Santa.
Slide. Okay, hang on.
Oh, that's for you.
And it looks like another Minecraft thing.
Is it?
I think it is. It is.
Leah,
It
this
is.
this big one. Open.
Yeah.
Minecraft?
It comes with a witch, golden armor Steve with a golden sword too,
Very
and
cool.
an iron golem.
She's
Oh. Yeah.
Here, pull. Here, pull down.
This stuff is really good.
Leah.
What is this, Lee?
She looked over at the Mel like, ooh. Leah, who gave you all those presents?
It's frozen.
Hey, Leah, who gave you the presents?
Whoa.
Leah. Leah, do you know who gave you those presents? Was it Santa?
Mama.